guys? It's Tae TV, also known as Tae Rene, or should I say Tae Rene, also known as Tae TV. I don't know, however you know me. I'm a professional makeup artist here in Atlanta, Georgia, and I wanted to share with you guys that I am launching, well, relaunching my YouTube channel. Okay, so I started a YouTube channel was it about 6 years ago, and life circumstances really just didn't allow me to do it and be consistent. Thank you for opening your arms to me, all you YouTube aliens out there. Do you hear my baby in there crying? She's not very happy. Okay, I might need to go soon, so. Are you done?
Yes, I'm done. I'm a big girl now.
You sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Okay, now I can get back to work. Say hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
Do you think it's a good idea for mommy to start a channel?
You already did.
Well, I couldn't do it because you were crying all the time.
Okay.
How old are you? 6. Okay, you really are a big girl now. Okay, mommy love you.
I love you.
Now go to bed. No.
No.
Okay. Say bye.
Bye.
So here we are again. I'm taking the professional coat, should I say brush belt, off. We're going to talk about things that you don't talk about normally in the makeup industry. We're going to share our secret tips and tricks. We're just going to talk about life. We're going to just enjoy this experience. So if there's anything that you want to see, or if there's anything in particular that you want to learn, drop it in the comment box below. I'm going to be showing you guys all my behind the scenes tips and tricks. There's going to be like a little bit of vlogging. You'll see what it's like to walk in the everyday life of a makeup artist and a mom. And yeah, it's just going to be fun. And if you guys have any questions, or if there is anything in particular that you want to see on my channel, please let me know, because I'm an open book. I'm open. This is the second time around, and we're going to get it right this time. We're going to get it right. I'm looking forward to sharing this journey with you. And don't forget, show your girl some love. Y'all show me love, I give you love back, okay? So make sure you like and subscribe, okay? Like and subscribe, okay? You're in for a serious treat.